Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I found what at my front door? I think Santa might have come a little early. And I have something from FabFitFun. This looks like a rather wintry box. Let's see what's inside, shall we? What? This cover is gorgeous. I'm already feeling summer vibes, and we just basically got out of the hot months here on the East Coast in America, New York City, and I'm already like yearning for the summer. I am loving the colors, beautifully photographed. I love it. And Nancy Twine, her best hair care advice. I wonder if that's her. I wonder. Winter Trend Report, 50 New Year's goals. Oh gosh, New Year's goals. Anybody feel any for this year? Or if they basically just given up and said, I'll wait till next year. I don't know, but I think it'll be fun to do 1 or 2 New Year's resolutions and just no pressure, no pressure. Grown up hot cocoa. I'm sorry, I like the Swiss Miss, like regular hot cocoa, and I'm good to go. So let us continue here. What's in your winter box? It is winter. Oh my goodness, it's an early Christmas present for me. Okay, so they're doing, they have a segment here, Toys for Tots. I've donated to this organization before. Very reputable as far as I can discern. And yeah, especially to give toys and clothing and food, especially toys. Gotta love that. And if you're a FabFitFun subscriber, then you know already about the refills program that they have in effect and their upcoming flash sales that they have throughout the year. Add-ons, edit sales, themed sales. You know how that goes in beauty, fashion, fitness, and lifestyle products. As I've said before in my prior videos on FabFitFun, which I'll post either here, or at the end of this video, FabFitFun is a true lifestyle box. It's not just makeup or hair care or skincare, but it's a true lifestyle box. It's very eclectic. Briogeo is featured here. Love their company. I think that their charcoal scalp cleansing shampoo is out of this world. If you haven't checked out Briogeo, I highly recommend you do, especially if you have issues with your hair as far as moisturizing it, and if your hair has like given up on shampoos, Briogeo I think is a great transitional product to use. Okay, I've been here rambling and I haven't shown a thing yet, but here we have stickers. Oh. Ooh. This was one of the add-ons. Yes, this is one of the add-ons. I remember because I saw this and they had an edit sale and I said I have to get this. And it was a 2-for that you got it as a set. And the brand is called Living Proof. This is their shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo is called the Full Shampoo and Conditioner, and it's supposed to add body and volume, and the conditioner is supposed to weightlessly hydrate. I've heard of Living Proof. I've occasionally tried some of their products. I think I have the dry shampoo. That was pretty decent. So I've tried sample sizes and I think I liked it. I don't remember having a bad experience with them, but I'll be curious to know how this one will be. What else do we have here? A lot of adverts. Something called Liquid IV, Meet Our Multipliers, Wellness Made Easy. This is a 360 Wellness Starter Pack. Hydration Multiplier, Energy Multiplier, and Hydration Multiplier plus Immune Support. So I'm thinking this is sort of like a powder or something. Look at that you put in your water. Comes in handy for the winter, especially because we tend to drink less because we don't get as dehydrated as we think we do, like we do in the summer. But yeah, you do get dehydrated in the winter, and it is important to drink water. What else do I have here? And I'll just put the prices up somewhere on the screen. I just want to experience like this unwrapping. But oh, this is so cute. This is from a company called Maker, and I think you make chocolates with these. Hot chocolate balm. Ooh. And it feels like it's made of silicone. And almost reminds me also of the cherry cordials, the way they had like that little like curve at the end. I like this. This is, like I said, true lifestyle box. You'll get some kitchen stuff, living room stuff, bedroom stuff. Yeah. What else do we have here? Something from Wadham, India. Recovery sampler, certified organic, 25 tea bags. This is so cute and so different. So it has the different kinds of tea, which I love. Tea, hot tea, cold tea, love. So I will definitely be trying these out. I don't think I've heard of the company, Vadam. You see the name up there? But yeah. Oh, oh, I can't wait. Love, love, love teas. Love teas. What else do we have here? Oh my goodness gracious. Ah! From Glametic. This looks like lashes, and it comes in a cute case with a pencil. I wonder if this, and it's apparently called Virgo, these particular lashes. It's interesting because my mom's a Virgo. But yeah, so I'm looking at this and I'm wondering if this is a magnetic liner that can easily sit the lashes, because if that's the case, then I might get a little giddy and I might try them out. I'm not into the whole glue mess, not going there, but it'll be interesting to try. But I'll put descriptions on what all these products are along with their prices in post-production. Look what I got. This is interesting because now I have, wow, this is interesting. Is it PMD holiday season? Like, what is going on? Ooh, this is something that massages in serums, has soft silicone bristles, it's waterproof, has an ergonomic design, and it has an easy AA battery. So if you can overlook that whole battery issue, then you might want to try this out. This is a smart facial cleansing device. I can only imagine how much this costs. I know it's not 10 bucks, but I will list it somewhere here in the video. That is really, I was surprised at that. I was not expecting that. Tula, love Tula. This is their probiotics and superfood skincare, the cult classic purifying face cleanser. Love, 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 love. I'm so glad. Oh, I'm so glad. I got another one. Yay! So it's like I got one initially. I think it's FabFitFun introduced me to the Tula brand. So now to see that it's in here, I'm like, oh, I'm so happy. Skincare. You all know how I feel about skincare and hair care. This brand is no joke. This is the classic, the cult classic, as they put it here, purifying face cleanser. Gotta love, gotta love, gotta love. Let's see, what else do I have in here? Oh, I just love this. This just feels like Christmas coming early. Okay. What is this? This is a liquid eyeliner. Who's it from? Aesthetica. Aesthetica. Nice. Okay. Again, I'll put the prices up so you could see. I'm trying not to look at the book because I don't want to go, you know what I mean? I know it's probably expensive, but I'm trying to be good and just be surprised with it. But I may just check the book anyway. This kind of reminds me of NYX, because NYX has a version that looks like this that I actually adore. So I wonder if it's done the same way, that it's a brush instead of a liner. Yeah, it kind of comes off like a, ooh, that looks serious. Let's see. Okay, it feels really stiff. Yeah, but better, easier managing of it. The colors, basic black, but I love. And I don't think it has a scent, which is good. What else do we have here? Something from Barefoot Sciences. Why do I feel like I'm getting a case of deja vu? I know I got something from Barefoot Sciences. Pretty sure I got one of these before. So I'm gonna pass this on to a relative who will greatly appreciate it. Oh, this, I don't know about you, but I have an obsession with hats. And FabFitFun has given me such gorgeous hat choices in the past. And I'm so glad to get this one. I'm wondering who it's from. It's from, the brand is called Michael Kors. What? The Michael Kors? I didn't know they made hats. This is so cute and so fluffy. And yes, I'm going to wear it because I love hats. I love hats. I like fedoras, cowboy hats, berets, sailor hats, longshoreman caps, the whole, slouchies, the whole 9 yards. I love them all. Yeah, it's Michael Kors. Get out. So there we go. And it's a nice color, so like pom-pom, it's so cute. I love it. I love it. And it's light material, it's not heavy. Lovely. So what do you think of FabFitFun? A true lifestyle box? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will get my next video. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest unboxing adventure. I hope to see you on my next one. Stay safe, take care. Bye.